Thanks for tuning in for Police Week. My name's Constable Courtney Yourkin and I work in the Collision Reconstruction Squad at Traffic Services for Toronto Police Service. The main function of our office is to investigate motor vehicle collisions involving death or injuries that may result in the death of the occupants of the motor vehicle. We use a variety of equipment in order to perform our job functions. The first piece of equipment is what we call a total station. It's an electronic distance measuring instrument that will plot points and evidence and roadway layout at a collision scene so that we can draw a scale diagram on CAD-based programs. Down here we have a crash data retrieval kit. That equipment there, if the vehicle is supported by the software, we can download essentially what the black box is in the vehicle to let us know vehicle speeds, whether the occupants are wearing their seat belts, if they're on the accelerator, if they're on the brake. This here is a drag sled. It's essentially a piece of passenger tire filled with cement, and there's an eye bolt inserted through its center of mass. We use a spring scale and we pull the drag sled on the road surface. By doing that, we essentially test how slippery the road is. If we know how slippery the road is and we know the length of a tire mark, because of the laws of physics, we can calculate how fast that vehicle is going at the start of the skid. Okay, so one of our other pieces of equipment is the drone. We use this to take pictures at a collision scene. As you can see, we have a Mavic here. I've taken it up, and this here is our collision reconstruction vehicle. We got new ones this year. It's almost like an office on wheels. We have everything in there. We used to have the Suburbans, and now we have the transit vans. So we have a little desk in there, everything we need. So I'm just going to try and go around to show you the side of the truck. Yeah, I gotta turn the camera. Oh, wrong way. Oh. Oops, here we go. There we go. There's a good picture of our van. There we are, the four of us. Everybody wave. Oh, and we're going to just come back and land it. So after we're at a scene and we've mapped it either using the total station or taken the drone photos, we look at the collision and all the evidence and we do an analysis of it, try to figure out the speeds of the vehicles prior to impact, at impact, post impact, and then we can figure out the dynamics, why people are injured, why people have passed away as a result of the collision. And we prepare these documents for court proceedings. If our detective office decides to charge, they use our reports and we get called to court to testify as an expert witness. That's about it for the Collision Reconstruction Squad. I hope you enjoyed our presentation. I hope you enjoyed Police Week, and stay safe and stay well.
Hello, I'm Police Constable Tyron D'Souza, and I'm the Photography Coordinator at Traffic Services. Photography plays an important role in the evidence gathering process, especially for collisions involving death or life-threatening injuries. Our photo officers receive specialized training and are equipped with professional photography equipment, including a heavy-duty tripod, a professional digital camera and zoom lens, a flash, and a heavy-duty camera cover. Photographers need to be prepared to take photos in a variety of conditions, including rain, snow, and low light conditions. Thank you for visiting us during Police Week.
Hi, my name is Sean Shapiro. I'm a police constable here at Traffic Services working out of the Traffic Safety Programs Unit. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch us during Police Week. Be sure to come back tomorrow for more exciting videos. See you then.